folks, Larry here, and real quickly, I want to thank all the people that took time on a short notice to send in a Christmas video to share with everyone out there. So I hope you enjoy the videos. And I want to thank them personally for their support and being on my Zoom Guest Hangout. This is the time of love giving, and these folks took that time to tell you thank you. Thank you for your support. Thank you for hanging with them. So, on with the show. Merry Christmas!
Hello everyone, this is Lena from Pen Boutique, wishing you a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays and Happy New Year from me, my family and entire Pen Boutique team at Pen Boutique. We have been working really hard to ensure your gifts gets to you before Christmas, and we really hope you will have a restful holidays with your friends and family. Once again, thank you so much for your support. Stay safe, enjoy your holiday with your loved ones, and namaste.
Hi, I'm Mike Green, and this is my wife Teresa and our dog Parker. Thank you for your support and friendship. May your blessings be many and your troubles be few. We wish you all the peace and joy of this season of giving. Merry Christmas, and here's to a better New Year.
Hi, I'm Ray.
I'm Natalie.
Hi, I'm Rachel.
Hey, I'm Francisco.
Hi, I'm Elise.
I'm Jim. We here at Heinz Pens would like to wish everyone a Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, and look for big things to come in 2022. Thanks.
Hi, Merry Christmas everyone. I'm here in my shop where I make all my pens, and I just wanted to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and thanks for supporting me in my work. I hope that everyone has a great new year, and let's make 2022 a better year. I know that we've been going through a lot with this COVID thing, and it's tough on a lot of people and a lot of families, but we'll get through it. So Merry Christmas, and I just want to say that I'm looking forward to 2022, and a lot of great things will be coming out of my shop. All right, thanks, bye.
Buon Natale, beautiful people. This is a special video that I recorded for Larry YouTube channel, and wish to tell you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Enjoy your writing, enjoy your, I would have to say, our beautiful mates, the pens, and whatever they can bring us as a pleasure and joyful life. Ciao, bye bye.